Welcome. If you want to get live wallpaper on your LG V50 ThinQ, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type live fluid. We have to get this application, free simulation magic fluids live wallpaper from Mad Scientist. Right now, let's open. Click right here and move to the settings, and you can choose one of this theme to set as your wallpaper. I will show you my favorite, this one. Then we have to go back and click here to set as the live wallpaper. Okay, let's go one more time. Something happened, I don't know what. Actually, just go back and click apply. Wallpaper has changed, and as you can see right now it looks like that. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!